Are you tired of Windows Defender blocking your files, deleting scripts, or slowing the system down? Today I'm going to show you how to completely disable Windows security. As you can see here, by the end of this video, your virus and threat protection will be fully bypassed and replaced by a custom provider that puts you back in your control of your PC. Now let's get started. First, start by opening your Windows settings. Then navigate to Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security and open the Virus and Threat Protection. In here, click Manage Settings. Now turn off the real-time protection and scroll down and do Temper Protection. Turn both off. This is necessary step to prevent Windows from blocking the tool we are going to use. Next, head over to Defend Not link in the description below. Essentially, it lets Windows know there's another antivirus in the hood which prompts the system to disable Windows Defender. That's how it works. If you want to learn about the technical details, be sure to read the repo. Okay, now let's download the application. Scroll up a little bit and you can see the releases section. Click on the releases. Before downloading, check the system information to identify your process architecture. In case the system is running ARM-based processor, so you need to download the ARM64 zip file. Otherwise, you need to download the 64-bit version. In case you are not sure what architecture you are using, go to Start menu, search for About your PC, and if you see ARM-based processor here, that means you are using ARM-based. I'm using ARM-based processor, so I'm going to download that zip file. It doesn't matter, both will work as it is. Now open the zip file and extract all the files in the zip file. Once it's extracted, for easier access, rename the extracted folder for something like Disable Defender. That way, we know that is the folder for disabling the Defender. Now, copy the folder and go to your C drive and paste it here. This is very important step because if you delete this file, it will not work after you restart your machine. So keep it in the C drive. After that, simply open the exe file. Now it's done. Once finished, you can verify the changes by returning it to Windows Security window, and you will be able to see now it's managed by dnot.sh, confirming that Windows Defender has been successfully disabled and bypassed. That's how you disable the Windows Defender permanently. Now, if you want to enable the Defender again, follow these steps. Go back to your C drive and find the folder. Then go to address bar and type CMD and press enter. Now this will open the command prompt in that folder. Now what you need to do is to copy the file name. So I'm going to rename and copy the file name. Now go back to command prompt, paste the file name by right click on your mouse and space dash and D and press enter. Now this will enable back the virus protection. Now in Windows Security, go to Home, click on Turn On here. You have to manually do it sometimes. Then that is how you turn it on. As you can see, now the virus and threat protection has been turned on. And that's it. Keep in mind that disabling your antivirus can leave your device vulnerable. So only use this method if you really need to bypass Windows Security. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And thank you very much for watching.